Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clone a Bitbucket repository. First, copy the repository URL, open Bitbucket. Go to your repository, click clone, and copy the URL. You can choose HTTPS, which is the easiest option, or SH, which is more advanced and requires setup. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, you can use command prompt or PowerShell, and on Mac or Linux, you can use the terminal. Now, navigate to the folder where you want to download the project. You can do this by using a command like cd desktop or any location you prefer. Then run the clone command by pasting your repository URL. For example, use git clone followed by your Bitbucket link. This will download the entire repository to your system. After that, open the project folder by typing cd followed by the repository name so you can enter the clone project directory. Finally, start working by opening the files in any code editor or IDE and then run the project as required. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.